Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes Mini, and here we have a Mini Electric Level 2, finished in Nanuq White Metallic. It has 17-inch Tentacle Spoke black alloy wheels, and it has a black roof and mirror caps, enhancing the sporty look. The brake lights have a Union Jack design, making it an attractive feature, and making it stand out on the road as a Mini Cooper. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. With 184 horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 7.3 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Cloth Leatherette Black Pearl upholstery and front heated sport seats. Essential for driving in the winter is their quick heating. It also has an 8.8-inch centre display screen, where you can find everything you may need for a journey. If you're interested in learning more about this Mini Electric Level 2, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes Mini.